It's the original.
Original, 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 original.
The good things then. Over here we have the good things then. Over here we have the good food then. Over here we have the good content. Share, subscribe, like and comment. Share, subscribe, like and comment. Share, subscribe, like and comment. Hey everyone, welcome back to the original Latte Kitchen. And today we're not gonna do cooking, we're gonna do some blending. I'm gonna make for you some oats and peanut punch. Okay? So these are my ingredients that I'm gonna use. I have some raw peanuts, which I wash. Please wash your peanuts. Wash them. A banana, almond lasco, some Quaker oats, Nutriment, but if you have your supplement or what I'm using Nutrigen, okay? I have some ground nutmeg, ground cinnamon, cinnamon sugar, and some allspice, and some vanilla. My almond milk. Yeah, that's about it. So let's get blending. I'm gonna put all these ingredients in my blender. My hands are already washed.
You don't say.
Okay, let me start by putting my oats. My peanut. I want it thick, okay?
Honey.
My banana. Okay, let me put my nutriment before I add in my spices. I'm gonna add in some of my, let me do the last cook. And guys, I forgot to tell you that I'm gonna put some Guinness in there. It's optional. If you don't want to put it in there, fine, but I want some Guinness in there. Okay. So let me just get a little of these spices in. Little vanilla. Some almond milk. And my Guinness. So guys, we are ready to go blend. Okay. Ah, come and look. Come and look. Look at this. You see that? Just the thickness I want. But just let me taste it to see if it's what I want. Ready. Everything. So I'm gonna pour it in my, look at that, guys. Now I pour this cup especially for you. Drink up. Let me drink for you.
A few moments later.
Really nice. This is for all the man them. I want the strong back. All of the woman them. Real oats punch. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up because I know you're gonna like this video, okay? If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, wanna weapon, what are you waiting on? Go subscribe, click that bell, so whenever I upload a video, you'll get the notification and you will see my video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for the support that you have been supporting me. I see your comments and I love you guys so much. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.